Hi, this is David Papkin with TSI Consulting Services. Welcome to Azor, Implement and Managing Networks. So I'm connecting to Windows Azure with Azor Powershell first. So remember, each time the Powershell, I got to add the account to it. Type in my username, of course, that for the Azure account that's linked to this. So after I enter in the password, you're going to see something appear. Good. So this one is connected with it with that subscription ID, etc. So the next thing I'm going to do, because remember I'm in the Windows Azure PowerShell ISE, I'm going to open up a script I have here. So what I'm going to do is in here, I'm going to put some data into here. So I'm going to put my subscription number into here. And then after that, I'm going to put the location 1 on this. And remember, there was a variety of ones, but where I am geographically, Southeast Asia for this one, I'm going to put that for my location 1. And I'm going to put location 2. I'll probably put East Asia on the other one. Remember, this just depends what regions are closest to you that you want also for whatever you're using Azure for. Next thing I'm doing is I'm updating my help right here. So this way, for any, if possible, so this way I get the latest Azure commands, PowerShell updates, so forth. Clear the screen. Good. Then I'm going to save this afterwards. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create virtual networks in the management portal and in PowerShell. So I'm going to https://manage.windowsazure.com, and we'll see if I'm signed in still or not. So you can see all the ones I have here. Great. Now I've had new virtual network, and was a datum HQ net. And I'm going to do is this. And the DNS, I'm putting a datum DNS in here with the IP address. Under the address space right here, the starting IP 10.0.0.10/24. And this one here /25, which will be 2 networks, 128 each, which actually is 126. Think about it. Now you'll notice on this it shows, for example, the usable address range on each one with a /24 and a /25. So I've set up this virtual network in here. Good. And I'm going to configure under this right here. So I've updated the branch VNet and the datum HQ net. Then the next thing I'm doing, I'm exporting the networks, and it's an XML file. Then afterwards, I'm going to look at this XML file and I'm going to make some changes to it. Remember, any changes, because, manually editing XML, if you're not sure, of course, make a copy of it in case you make some mistakes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and then paste it and make some changes. So basically, I'm going to do is for the datum branch VNet, location 2, and the address space on it. Then I'm going to set the Azor VNet config to this XML file that I have just modified. So I'm using that one there to update the network config on that. Good, it said it succeeded. Fantastic. Then I'm going to go to the networks page. I'll refresh it, and I should see the ones in there. And on the branch VNet, if you look at it, you'll see. Then I'm going to populate the virtual network. Next. I'm going to run on this as create virtual machines. This one right here. It's going to ask me the region for this. And I'll put in the primary, because it's location 1, which was Southeast Asia. And then afterwards, the script will run. It can take a period of time up to 25 minutes. Now remember something. Don't run a second script in the same instance of this one. So remember, I'm going to run another one, virtual machines PS1, 2, but I can't do it in the same window. If I want to do another window of it, but not in the same one because that one's still running. And afterwards, you'll see that they've been created under this one. So now I ran the second one, virtual machines 2. If I take a look here, I'll see all these ones that have been created under here. So you notice the 2 virtual machines that have been created, datum west and a datum east.